them.
They're moving because what are they going towards? What's their goal? What can they smell? Ooh, yellow's first. She's like, ooh, I'm getting there first.
Yellow.
I want my lunch.
It's yellow.
And look, Arthur's being very patient.
How do you know which one's which?
Because she introduced them.
Oh.
You can tell them apart because a lot of them have distinctive markings on their nose. Is a good way to tell them apart, and you can also tell the males and the females. The males, as you can see, Arthur here has a line in his chest. That's a scent gland. Only the males have that, and the females don't. That's used to mark territory and during mating season as well. And the males tend to have a bit more of a sloped forward forehead in comparison to the females. Their face is a bit more squished together. Yeah, and they're a bit bigger than the females as well. You'll see when I start to put the leaves up, they've got very specialised sense of smell. So they'll grab each individual leaf and sniff it to see how much nutrients is in it, and they'll leave everything that they don't like.
It's smelling his butt.
Come back.
Yeah, so you see Arthur here is sniffing each individual leaf to see which one that he would like. And we change the leaves from them every day. They'll eat around 30% of this, and then they'll leave the rest, the stuff that I can't put down there.
How do you like the sun?
Hello. Koala. Koalas.
Like none of those are good. Have a dip. Any different Out of the way, ladies.
Right, there now.
Koala. Oh, very.
Have a good one. Eating like that?
Where you cut? Yeah. They're pretty cool, aren't they? I don't want to lift you up.
Okay, then I'll keep doing.
If anyone has any questions, feel free to yell them out. I'll do my best to answer them. How do they eat? So what they'll do is they grind up the leaves, so they'll take each individual leaf and they'll grind it up in their mouth. But they have very special stomachs to be able to digest the leaves because they're actually quite toxic. And that's also why they sleep so much. Yeah, so they sleep 18 to 20 hours a day, and then the rest of the time they'll be out foraging for food and eating. Normally in the wild they're more nocturnal. So you only really see them kind of moving around at night, but these guys are pretty in tune to us coming and changing over the browse at this time, so they prefer to hang out. So yeah, it's a good time to come and see them around this lunchtime period. Yeah, because you can actually see them out and moving around. So these guys are, they're southern koalas.